Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I want to talk about the top ETFs to buy and hold for the next 10, 15, 20, even 40 years. Now, a lot of these, ETFs are going to be very sector focused. So we're going to talk about really the top sectors that I think that are going to explode over the next couple of years. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. So guys, let's roll into it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the very first ETF that I think carries so much long-term potential is backed by ARK. Now this is a Fintech ETF, so this is really looking at the financial technologies. Now a lot of the top holdings for this ETF of ticker symbol ARKF is PayPal, Square, Zillow, Shopify, a lot of companies that in my opinion carries a ton of long-term potential. Now looking at this ETF, you guys can see the absolute explosion in buying pressure that we've seen over the past year is almost parabolic. We have lows here at $18.66 and highs here at $64. So that is going to be that overall resistance. I think that a perfect strategy would be dollar cost averaging, not to mention invest a little bit, hold it for 5, 10, 15 years. This is a perfect, ETF to hold for the long term. And especially given this market sell-off, this would be a good opportunity to hop into this. Now, there's other companies like Square in this and Chase, but mostly financial companies that are heavily involved in tech. So that's really, really cool and very interesting here. One that I am highly invested in. Now the next one is ticker symbol ICLN. Now, for those of you that don't know what this one is, this is a clean energy ETF. So a lot of the top companies in this are companies that are heavily focused in clean energy, which in my opinion is phenomenal. I think there is a lot of potential for that. Some of the top holdings for this is ticker symbol ENPH. We have another one being PLUG, which is Plug Power, First Solar, a lot of companies like that. This one carries a ton of potential. Given the market sell-off, perfect opportunity to invest, especially when it hits that overall support near that 200 moving average line. Hop into this one. Don't even look at it for 5 years, and I guarantee this stock will, or this ETF will continue to rise up. Beautiful upward trend. Lows here at $9, highs here at $34. Phenomenal. Now this next one, I'm sure you probably know. This is QQQ. So this is pretty much the Nasdaq ETF. The top holdings for this one is Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. Now look at the absolute huge buying pressure that we've seen. Really lows here at $180, highs here at $338. Strong support near 310. Perfect strategy, dollar cost average this one all day. Use all these ETFs volatility to your advantage. Every time we get a sell-off of more than 4 or 6%, invest in it. Hold this for, 10, 15 years, because I really believe that, especially in technology, we're just getting started. I know how crazy that seems, but we are just getting started with technology, and I think this carries a lot of potential. Now, with certain technology, we need to make sure we have somewhat cyber security. So this kind of brings us into this next ETF, ticker symbol HACK, also known as HACK. Now, the reason why I love this one so much is because we have a ton of awesome holdings in this. We have Cisco, Cyber. We got a variety of other holdings in this one that are heavily focused is cybersecurity. So everyone loves to go online, but we want to make sure we have some security with that. So I really think this one carries a lot of potential given the market sell-off that we've seen lately. Very strong support near around 53, resistance here at around 59. This would be a textbook play to hop in, hold it for a couple of years. Very, very strong support is this 200 moving average line. Very similar to QQQ and ICLN. Now the resistance for this is the highs here at 64. So guys, all of these ETFs, in my opinion, carry a lot of potential. But what is the pro? Why should you invest in ETFs? Now, the reason why I love investing in ETFs is, one, you get diversification. Two, most of the time you will get dividends, because when you pick and choose different stocks, guys, it's very hard to find the right stock. You could miss out on opportunity. So it's better, in my opinion, to just invest in the sector, because some of the picks you're going to miss. And some of the ones that you think are terrible will explode up. It's very hard to judge. One stat that I always love is 96% of hedge fund managers can't beat the S&P 500. So you might as well be diversified in the S&P 500 in the sectors that you think are going to explode. So, that's just my opinion on this. I think all of these ones carry a lot of potential, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alrighty, guys. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you guys got anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So I'll put a link to that down below. So we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.